Now, some other problems that we have with this unit besides not adequate enough air, if you look down inside here, you'll see igniter and a flame sensing rod. So what happens after enough combustion happens, you start getting this dusty buildup that builds up onto the unit. So what I recommend telling people, if you have a piece of cheesecloth or light sandpaper or even a $1 bill, is just very gently coax across it and clean it up as best as possible without bending the spark rod. But you just very gently go in there. You start cleaning that up. That'll give you adequate igniting surface to be able to get a correct spark again.